Okay, let's just cover licenses really quickly because it is extremely important to know why you should get certain licenses and why you should ignore the other ones, or maybe if you want to pay for some licenses, why you should want to pay for some licenses and why you should ignore the other ones. So VidIQ actually technically has 4 different licenses. You're seeing right here only 3 of them. You are seeing the Pro license, right here, Pro license, Boost license, and Boost Plus license. Technically, Boost and Boost Plus licenses are more or less the same, but what Boost Plus licenses have are monthly one-on-one coaching calls, and I would ignore this completely unless you are a larger business. And if you're taking this course, most likely you are not, so I would just ignore this one. And so we have a choice between free license, Pro, and Boost license. So free license is, as you can understand, it's free and it contains majority of the features of the other paid licenses, like this bar right here, this shortcuts right here. However, all the additional features like keyword inspector and other things are a bit more restricted. You're gonna have access only to a few of keywords, so you will not be able to see all the information. For example, you will not be able to see inline keywords and things like that, and you will not have a daily video ideas and things like that. This is the main difference between free and the paid licenses. With the Pro license, which costs $10 a month, and yes, I'm going to be talking about the monthly fees, not the annual fees, because yeah, it will be much more usual than that, but on average it will be lower, of course, $7.50 per month, but still majority of people will still go for the monthly licenses. It will cost $10 and you will get all the features that you will see on this course. It will be the keyword inspector, it will be daily ideas, it will be a little bit of the keywords within the videos themselves. You're gonna see the trending videos in real time. You're gonna see search companions with proprietary keyword research. It's basically search companions, basically this one, or what that you'll see like under my face right here. You're basically going to have the full access to the tools. For example, with the keywords tool, you're gonna have a full access and you will not be restricted to only a few keywords. Usually on a free license, when you search for keyword, you're gonna see only 2 results. Let's say I'm gonna search the same Affinity versus Adobe in 2021, and in the free license you're going to be able to see only the first 3 or something like that, while here you're going to see everything right here, and including trending videos on the right side. This is the largest difference. And to be fair, the Pro license is the definitive license for VidIQ, because you are going to get maybe around 80 to 90% of all the features that VidIQ is actually providing to you within the Pro license. Now, what about the Boost license? What is actually providing to you? Again, in the Boost license, you have a choice between 1 channel, 3 channel, or 5 channel Boost licenses. And here you have these additions. So instead of 10 daily video ideas, you're gonna have 50 daily video ideas. That means you have a larger choice. And to be fair, if you are going to be browsing through daily ideas, well, daily, we're gonna have more than enough video ideas even with the 10. So 50 is, well, it's good, but paying 5 times more is just it's not useful. Then you're gonna have optimized up to 40 videos per month with proprietary keyword recommendations. You're gonna see it in SEO tab. It will actually give you the recommendations that might be a good keywords for the certain videos. And I've been using Boost license for that for a while, for a few months actually. And to be fair, the results were no different than just browsing and searching for keywords yourself. It might save you a little bit of time per video. Maybe, I don't know, it will save you like 5 minutes of your time per video, but that's it. I myself did not find it useful to use. I did not find it, well, justified to pay $50 a month. And what also you're going to see is that you don't see on the bottom right here. I'm going to be showing right here, on the recommended tags on VidIQ, or even on VidIQ Pro, you only can see 3 tags, just the 3 recommended tags. And on Boost, you're gonna unlock all the recommended tags. Well, technically, you don't need this, because all of the tags that you can get from here, it's already available in the keyword research tool. So it, again, is not adding any additional value. It's just basically places everything right in front of you, and you just don't need to click one more button to get them. Paying 5 times more for that? Absolutely not. You can create a trend alert to track the videos based on keywords, so views per hour, VPH is views per hour, or competitors. Here, well, to be fair, if VidIQ will already see a trend, most likely you are already too late for a trend. It's not the VidIQ's fault, but when the trend will emerge, that means that already a lot of people are actually jumping on this trend, and yeah, it's kind of too late for you to jump on it. So yeah, it's pretty much useless for you. Get views from trending videos to rate your content? Yeah, no, you're not getting any additional views. And yeah, unlimited access to VidIQ Academy. Yeah, you do have an access to VidIQ Academy to pro member courses, and that's actually quite a lot of great courses there that you can get access with a pro license. And if you are taking this course, I highly suggest you to go and get the pro member courses. You're gonna get a lot of great features and a lot of great info from here, all about the YouTube. And one more thing that it's actually not available here, you don't see it in the views, that you don't see here in the features. It's actually expansion to the keyword research tool, and I'm going to show it to you right here. I'm going to go and look for keyword inspector. So what you can actually do is you can actually, with the boost license, you can actually search up to 5 keywords and all related keywords to it at the same time. It's actually written right here. You can actually go and find 5 keywords right here, and yeah, this is basically what it means. So it means that you can find 5 keywords and not just one. Like it says up search up to 5 keywords right here, but it's only available on the boost license, and it's not available on the pro license. On pro license, you're gonna be searching for 1 keyword. Is it worth paying 5 times more for that? Well, it's actually a useful feature, but still no, definitely not $50, because yeah, it will not give you a lot more features. All you need to do to replace this feature is just to search for 5 different keywords, and that's it. Instead of just typing all of them in one bar, you're gonna type it 5 times in 5 different bars, or search it 5 times. Paying $50 for that? Well, absolutely not. And a lot of people are actually asking me this question about VidIQ, whether the boost license will actually help them to gain more views, and the answer is absolutely no. None of the license will allow you to gain more views directly, but they will help you to optimize your videos more to gain more views. Remember, these tools like VidIQ are to help you to optimize your videos better. They're not optimizing videos for you, and especially $50 boost license will not do that for you. If you want 80 to 90%, I don't know, maybe even 95% of all the features, you will be able to use it through the pro license. Again, additionally, there is like subscribers tab right here, which basically gives you a little bit of information about your subscribers, and usually it's not a lot if you're a smaller channel. It's good if you're a larger channel, but YouTube Analytics actually is already giving you some information about your subscribers, like what channels they're watching or what videos they're watching and things like that. They are already giving it to you for free, so paying for this is still not a great option. Overall, in my opinion, what will be the best option for you is to choose pro license and use it extensively, because if you are a YouTuber, if you're a YouTube creator, you're gonna find a lot of use cases for this one. So this will be it for overall coverage of the VidIQ's licenses and all the places where you can find different features. And from the next lecture, we will actually start using VidIQ features, and I'm going to show you how they actually work and what problems they solve for you. So I'm going to see you in the next lecture. See you there. So welcome to the bonus lecture, and in this lecture, as promised, I'm gonna show you how we can actually gain 1 free month of VidIQ Pro or Boost. So how you can actually get free month of VidIQ. So all you actually need to do is go through the link in the resources of this lecture, and that's basically it. It will show you exactly what you will need to do in order to claim this free month. There is not much to do there. Just click the link. Everything is already done for you. You will just click the link in the resources and it will show you how you can actually claim free 30 days of VidIQ. By the way, this allows you to claim both Pro license and Boost license. However, I highly suggest you, highly suggest you to go for a Pro license. Do not go for the Boost license. Because whether you will decide to continue after the 30-day trials, trust me, Pro license is much more valuable than Boost license is. In my opinion, Boost license is complete waste of money if you cannot afford it. So I hope this will be helpful. If you haven't completed the course yet, please complete the course because you're gonna learn a bunch of new things. And if you have completed, well, congratulations. This will be it from me. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and hope to see you in the future lectures in our future courses. See you and take care.